Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a curious girl named Emma. Emma loved colors and crafts, and her favorite place to visit was her grandma's house. Her grandma was the best at making fun and creative crafts using everyday household items. One sunny afternoon, Emma skipped over to her grandma's house with a big smile on her face. "Grandma, can we make something colorful and fun today?" she asked excitedly. Grandma smiled and said, "I have just the idea, Emma. Let's make a rainbow paper plate craft." Emma's eyes sparkled with excitement. "That sounds amazing. What do we need?" Grandma led Emma to the kitchen table and laid out the supplies. A plain white paper plate, some colorful paints, a paintbrush, glue, cotton balls, and a pair of scissors. "First," Grandma began, "let's cut the paper plate in half. This will be the base of our rainbow." Emma carefully cut the paper plate into 2 halves. "What next, Grandma?" "Now let's paint each section of the plate in rainbow colors. We'll start with red at the top, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple at the bottom." Emma dipped her brush into the red paint and began to create a vibrant arc. She continued with each color, making sure to clean her brush between each one. Soon, a beautiful rainbow appeared on her paper plate. "Wow, it looks so pretty," Emma exclaimed. Grandma nodded. "It sure does. Now let's add some fluffy clouds. We'll take these cotton balls and glue them to the ends of our rainbow." Emma eagerly dabbed glue on the ends of the rainbow and pressed the cotton balls in place. The rainbow now looked like it was floating in the sky. "Look, Grandma, it's a rainbow with fluffy clouds," Emma said, admiring their creation. Grandma hugged Emma and said, "You've done a wonderful job, Emma. Every time you look at this rainbow, remember how much fun we had making it together." Emma smiled brightly. "Thank you, Grandma. I love our rainbow paper plate craft." And from that day on, Emma's rainbow hung proudly in her room, reminding her of the special afternoon spent crafting with her beloved grandma.